Alright YouTube, today we'll try to replace the AC compressor, which is this part right here, this one. And yes, always use safety first. Use some safety goggles or glasses and some gloves on. It should be the same for 2004 up to 2007. So first, yes, always use a recovery machine for the refrigerant that's left over on the old one. So I went ahead and do that already. I had a friend who had to remove you have to have a safety special machine to remove the AC refrigerant, which is in this part right here. So first step is to remove the belt, which is right here, this part right here. Just loosen it and pull it off. As you can see, it's in there installed now. So all I use is a pipe for leverage, and then just force it down. Okay, so now that we have it out, just pull it out from the compressor. All right, and there's two 13 bolts, right? This one and this one. And in addition to that, there's this bolt holding it. This one, no, I'm sorry, this one on top, and there's one to the right. This one. Let's go ahead and loosen those. This other one right here, it's the one I showed you earlier. It's right here. I'm using a pipe for leverage. Got it. This other one right here, it's a 15. We loosen that as well. And the pipe's always handy. So now it's all loose. So I'm gonna use this power tool to be faster. As you can see, if it's true they remove all the AC refrigerant, this shouldn't make any sound. Oh, it looks like they have some left over. Always have it first removed, all the AC refrigerant. This one as well. Probably that was just the air that was left from the old one. As you can see, it's ready for the new one. And let's save this bolts somewhere safe. We have it inside, right? Because I might go ahead and remove this one. And that should be it. Nope, we have more bolts. Okay, so in addition to those bolts, you have to remove these bolts. This one, there's 4 in total. This one underneath right here, and this one, and this one. So you can pull this off, and then pull this bad boy. Yeah, I'll do it right now at the end. Sure. Where was it? Oops. I have to pick that up before I forget. Heard it fall. Recording right here. The last bolt you have to remove is this. After you remove this plate, they have this extra bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. This is the last one to remove. You should be good to go. Oh, yeah, it's almost. Okay, where's my pipe? It's right here. You can use this for leverage and it goes on its own. Okay, this should be the last one, and the compressor should be ready to be removed. ¿Sí se ve esto o no? This is the one I'm taking out. Okay. It's not very friendly. Okay, now it's out. Let's pull it out. So after you loosen all the bolts, there's one last bolt, this one. So you have to remove that. That's the last one that's holding it. Okay. It's the last bolt right here. Just remember how everything goes back, so you won't struggle. Carlo? Yeah. Okay, so it's so stuck in there, so seized, so all you have to do is grab a tool, hammer, anything, just start moving it. That should be it. And then just start moving it. Just come out. It's been removed now. Just wiggle it until it comes out. That's the old one. This is the new one. It's ready to be installed. As you can see, everything, it's the same connector. Yeah, everything's the same. So this one's already pre-oiled. It has oil, so I don't have to add any oil to it. And then that's it. Let's install this. All right, so I have the new one. So I have the new compressor. All I have to do is remove this. There was 2 bolts right here. Loosen them, remove it. Remove this. As you can see, it's already oiled. Remove this as well. You have to remove this as well. Just pull it out. As you can see, it's already oil, so no need to add oil. So now we just have to install it back. Let's put it back in there. This other side, same thing, same procedure. Fits in perfectly. And just tighten those bolts. Remember, you have one right here. This 2 ones right here. One right here. All right, let's get started. This one, hand tighten. Next one, hand tighten as well. Okay. So I went ahead and tightened those up. The 2 front ones. Now we have to tighten this one. Also, don't forget to tighten this too. Right here. Connector, electrical compressor. And, oh yes, almost forgot this bracket right here. Let's bring that. You know what? I'm just gonna turn it with this. Faster. Already tightened this one. Alright, now I'm just gonna hand tighten them. Not hand tighten. Use my socket. Last but not least, put back the belt. As I showed you earlier, same procedure. Just pull this out. Already put it in, so same procedure as you took it off, and then you just put it back in. All right, the moment of truth. Let's connect the AC compressor, connect back your battery, recharge it with the AC refrigerant. Hopefully this works.